Hey there, Greg with CloudTruth. Let's candidly discuss a recent news topic related to a daily problem our engineering teams face. The problem is misconfigurations that take our apps or companies offline. Just recently, McDonald's suffered a worldwide IT outage, which cost the company $62 million in revenue. And guess what? The root cause was a misconfiguration. 2 months ago, AT&T experienced a network-wide outage caused by a config error. Their revenue and reputation took a hit, with $350 million of customer restitution fees and bold headlines calling them to task for dropping 5,000 911 calls. And these two are not isolated examples. A comprehensive incident post-mortem study revealed that misconfigurations cause 75% of outages or breaches. Even the NSA and CISA are urging companies via a call to action special advisory to get their config data houses in order. We can't risk a government vendor causing a misconfiguration that could lead to a national security nightmare. So why has this problem yet to be solved? There are three main reasons. First, there's too much status quo legacy thinking about config data. Because it's load-bearing in every system, our secrets, parameters, and templates are mission-critical assets that must be treated more responsibly. Second, a reliance on a passive config architecture. Lacking a proactive mindset, many teams rely on config data management anti-patterns that undermine their uptime and security hardening goals. And finally, fixing this issue once and for all is a real slog. This is true. Paying down config tech debt is a lot of toil, but there is a promised land on the other side, and CloudTruth will take you there. So how does CloudTruth help? We're the first purpose-built solution to prevent misconfigurations. We start by integrating with your existing config data, secrets, and tooling. We then reorganize the data using a proven config architecture pattern called 7-factor config and give you a parameterized templates for injection to any release process. Combining this awesomeness with change tracking, auditing, RBAC, and policy guardrails results in an organized and protected configuration data platform with low effort. CloudTruth does all this with one command, regardless of which cloud, IAC tool, container tool, or CICD tool you use. It is magical, and you can bet the words magic and config have never been used together in the same sentence. Give CloudTruth a try and see for yourself.